One of the reasons I bought a truck camper was to be nimble, so I could go pretty much anywhere I wanted. I live in a city, and sometimes it's really difficult getting out of my parking space. Cars tend to park really close to corners. My last trip down to New Jersey on 95, going through New York City, was not fun with these jacks on. I had more than one person honk at me because they thought I was too close. And so what I'd really like to do is find a way to remove these jacks and put them back on quickly. And I found that in a product called D-Jacker. It's made in Germany. It cost about $600. They picked up part of the shipping in return for me making this video. I ordered it. It took about a month to come in, and I'll show you how it works. It's pretty simple. All you do is unplug the power to the jack, pull the cotter pin, and put it in your pocket because you don't want to lose it. And then you pull the main pin, and you got to push up a little bit to do that, and the jack comes right off. And then the whole jack just goes in the back. I made a little wooden rack that holds all four jacks. This is passenger side rear. Oh, Jesus. So it goes in PR. Just like that. And then do the same thing with the next jack. The jacks are pretty heavy. One of the nice things about this is it's bringing my center of gravity down because those jacks are going to be much lower now than they were before. Also reduced drag a little bit. Probably not enough to affect gas mileage. But it's a pretty cool product. I'll leave a link to the installation video down below, as well as a link to where you can order it. You actually have to email them and they'll email you back. The one thing that's wrong in the instructions, or not wrong, but it shows it too easy. You have to drill a hole through the bracket, and you can't drill that hole without drilling a pilot hole first. And also you need to go really slow drilling these holes, and you need to use water to cool your drill bit. A hot drill bit gets dull really fast, so you need to keep the drill bit really cold. But you'll get through them. It's pretty easy to install them. Anyway, thanks for watching this video about D-Jacker.